More example. Number 1. If you want to answer, just raise your hand. Compare the measure of segment AB and segment DE. Yes, anak? Greater than, less than, or equal? AB. The opposite is 105. While DE, the opposite is 110. Okay, very good. Less than. What theorem is this? Hinge or converse?
Hinge.
Okay, hinge. Kasi segment po yan. How about for number 2? Yes, Leofe? Equal. What theorem? Okay, very good. This is also a hinge theorem. Next, number 3. Angle 1 is blank to angle 2. Angle 1. This is the measure of angle 1. Anong opposite niya? 7. Sa angle 2, anong opposite? 8. Anong mas malaki? 7 or 8? 8. Therefore, what is the inequality symbol? Greater than or less than? Okay, very good. Less than. And what theorem is this? Angle ang tinutukoy. Okay, converse po yan. How about for number 4? What is the measure? This is angle 1 and the opposite side is 6. Sa angle 2, ano po? 6 din. What is the symbol? Equal. Kasi para silang 6. Converse or hinge? Converse. Kasi angle. Next, number 5. MS. Opposite 95. LS, opposite 98. Okay, very good. Less than. Hinge or converse? Hinge. And for number 6, angle 1, 8. Angle 2, 7. Greater than. Converse or hinge? Converse. So, any question?